How to remove limits on Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can remove limits on Instagram. So before we begin, if you guys are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let's begin. First, open up your Insta. After you open that, make sure you're logged in into your account. Then head over to your profile on the bottom right. Now what you'll need to do is tap on the three lines on the top right corner. After you tap on it, you should be on your settings and activity. Scroll down, and after you scroll down under how others can interact with you section, you'll find limit interactions. Tap on that. And here to remove this, you can simply turn off by tapping on the turn off button on the bottom. So what this does is you are basically limiting your interactions from some followers and accounts that don't follow you. So here you can see what can be limited, who can be limited, and when they will remind you to turn that off. So you can simply turn it off by tapping on turn off and you're good to go. And that's all for today's video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.